Okay, everyone, let's quickly solve this question. Question says, what volume of a 0.1 molarity H3PO4, which is phosphoric acid, will be required to neutralize 45 cm cube of a 0.2 molarity NaOH, which is sodium hydroxide? Now, in solving this question, writing out the parameters will go a long way in helping us. Now, the question says, what volume of a 0.1 molarity H3 will be required to neutralize 45 cm cube? So our volume of what, of acid, is what we are told to look for. Remember, phosphoric acid is an acid. What volume of this acid will be required to neutralize 45 cm cube of a 0.2 molarity base? So volume of acid we don't know. Volume of base we're given 45.0 cm cube. Okay, now also we're given the concentration of the acid, which is Ca. Concentration of the acid is 0.1 molarity. Molarity is also known as concentration, and concentration of the base will also given to be 0.2 moles. Now this formula, doesn't it hit something like, you ought to remember what this, like, who I'm about to enter now. Okay, what am I saying? Well, what I'm trying to say is that this will lead you to this formula, which is the titration formula. For those that have written WAEC, you will know what I'm saying. Those that have not written, that I expect to write, this is the titration formula. You can also use this to solve what, concentration what questions. Alright, now you can see these parameters were given. We're told to find VA, but unfortunately we're not given NA and LB. Yes, so how do we get them? By writing out the equation. Now remember, H3PO4, which is phosphoric acid, is reacting with what, sodium hydroxide. Now when a base is reacting with an acid, it's called a neutralization reaction, and whether you like it or not, or even the devil likes it or not, the products are always what, salt and water only. Now you can see sodium hydroxide will combine with this displaced hydrogen. You know hydrogen will displace, alright? The metal will displace hydrogen, hydrogen will displace to form water, and what will be left with sodium and what, and phosphate ion. And phosphate, okay, let me go here. And phosphate ion has a valency of 3. Sodium has a valency of 1. So interchanging valencies, we have Na3PO4, alright? And we're going to input it here, Na3PO4. Na3PO4. Now what do? We balance the equation. We have sodium 3 here, so it's only natural to put what, 3. So we have 3 sodium, 3 sodium. Looking at oxygen, I have 3 oxygen. Take note, 4. 3 plus 4, I have 7 oxygen on the reactant side. So if I introduce, what will I introduce here now? Okay, 3, yes, 3, because I have 4 oxygen here. This 3 is affecting oxygen. 4 plus 3, I have 7 oxygen. Now looking at the hydrogen, I have 3 hydrogen plus this 3 hydrogen is 6. I have 3 hydrogen times this to 6, you get. Now 1 P here, 1 phosphorus here, you can see. So our equation is balanced. Now bringing what concerns us, the acid H3PO4, sorry, and the base. The numbers in the front, you agree with me, to represent their moles. So nothing here represents what, 1 mole, and we have 3 more, as you can see. So putting them here, number of moles of acid 1, and number of moles of what, of base is what, 3. Now we're told to look for what, VA. Now writing this out, we have VA is equal to what, CBVBNA over CANB. Alright, now we have VA is equal to, CB is what, CB is what, 3. 3 times what, VB is what, VB is 45, times what, NA is what, 1, over CA is what, 0.1, and NB is what, 3. NB is 3. Then what did I write as CB? CB is what, 0.2, sorry, 0.2, 0.2, my bad, this is 0.2. Okay, moving on. Okay, if you times 0.2 times 45, you will get 9, right? Now let me use a math trick here. Alright, 3 times 0.1, I will get 3 times 1, 3, I will get 0.3. So if I move this like this, I will get 9 divided by 3 over 10. And if I say 9 times 10 over 3, 3 here, 3 here 1, 3 here 3, 3 times 10, we have 30.0 cm cube. Alright, now this is our answer, 30.0 cm cube. God bless, stay tuned, and don't you forget to share and like this video. Remain blessed.